Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of your own private residential elevator. We have engineered this elevator to be durable, dependable, and easy to operate. With minimal care and maintenance, you'll have many years of reliable service from it. In fact, you will come to take it for granted. That's fine with us. That's exactly how it should be. Before using the elevator, every family member should watch this short video on the how-tos and the don't-dos of owning an elevator. Some of the operations are a little different than commercial elevators that you may be familiar with. So please watch this entire video to become well acquainted with the features we have built into this unit. Included in your paperwork are two important documents that you should review also: the quick reference guide and the operating and safety manual. If you don't have these, you can always find a copy on our website at residentialelevators.com/elevators-operation. Please keep all these documents handy, as they contain just about everything you need to know about your new elevator. We ask that you read them to completely familiarize yourself and your family with your elevator. So, to get you off to a good start with your new elevator, let's first talk about the basic operating steps. Please note that although you might think you know how elevators should work, your home elevator may be different to operate. 1. Press the hall call button, also known as Landing Operating Panel or LOP, to call the elevator to your floor. The elevator will automatically arrive at the landing. 2. Manually open the landing door after outer ring of call button is illuminated. Be sure to wait for the light. 3. Open car gate fully after making sure elevator is at floor level, and turn on car light if it does not come on automatically. This car gate is the interior door gate that rides along with the elevator. 4. Close landing door, also known as hallway or hoistway door, securely. 5. Close car gate securely and push desired floor button on the car operating panel, also known as the COP. 6. Once the elevator has stopped at the selected floor level and the light on the car operating panel has turned off, open the car gate, open the landing door, and step out. 7. Turn off car light if not automatic. Close car gate and landing door behind you so the elevator is ready for others to use. That's it. Those are the basic steps to operating your new elevator. As you can see already, it's really not complicated once you've done it. We just like to remind you that safety is a big concern for everyone, and using caution during operation is paramount. Note, your home elevator is equipped with a phone inside the cab. To use the phone, make sure to press the red on and off button to activate or deactivate the phone line. If you do not hear a dial tone when activating the phone, please contact Residential Elevators for further instructions. Now, let's review the safety features that are found in the operating and safety manual included in the paperwork you received. Note, there is more information in the manual than there is here in the video. Please read the entire manual to learn all the safety precautions. Following the manual's instructions will provide maximum safety. Failure to follow instructions can lead to serious injury or death. Let's get started. Landing doors, also known as hallway or hoistway doors, should be kept in the closed position at all times except when entering or exiting the elevator. Never remove, bypass, tamper, or disable door locks or other safety features. Do not operate the elevator if the car gate or landing door locking system is not functioning properly. Before entering or exiting the elevator, be sure the elevator has come to a complete stop and is at the floor level. Always watch your step. Do not lean against the car, also known as the elevator cab, the gate, or car controls while in the elevator. Keep all contents at least 2 inches from the cab walls and cab gate. Do not open the car gate when in motion or extend your hands or feet through the openings in a scissor-style gate. Do not overload the elevator beyond its rated capacity of 950 pounds. Do not use the elevator in the case of fire or smoke. Maintain a working telephone in the elevator at all times. Do not operate the elevator if you detect any unusual sounds or if the ride seems abnormal. In the unlikely event the elevator stops between floors, don't panic. First, remain calm and stay in the car. Do not attempt to exit the elevator between floors, as it can result in serious injury or even death. Now make certain all car gates are securely closed. Make sure the red emergency stop switch is in the run position. Press the alarm push button to notify others in the house that the elevator is disabled. Use the telephone in the elevator to call for assistance in getting out of the elevator. You can call the Residential Elevators Service Department at 800-832-2004, extension 4, during normal business hours, i.e. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After-hours numbers are 866-251-9385-911. That will connect you to the local fire department. Emergency access keys should be located near or on the controller. Use of these keys by elevator code is limited to fire and rescue personnel or licensed elevator mechanics. Call Residential Elevators or a qualified elevator company to service your elevator before you attempt to use it again. Do not allow children or pets to ride the elevator unattended. Children should not play in or near the elevator. Never allow a child to stand between the elevator gate and landing door. Never enter the elevator hoistway above or below the elevator cab for any reason. A moving elevator can cause severe injury or death to anyone in the hoistway. We hope this short video has helped you understand the benefits and operations of your new elevator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to read the documents that came with the elevator. Still have questions? Reach out to our customer representative at 850-906-3054, extension 4, or 800-832-2004, extension 4, or send an email to customerservice@residentialelevators.com. If you have not registered your elevator already, please register it by filling out our web form at residentialelevators.com/protectyourinvestment today.